Best wall-mounted toilets are modern, space-saving bathroom fixtures that attach directly to the wall, creating a clean and minimalist look. With concealed tanks and easy-to-clean floors underneath, they offer a sleek design, improved hygiene, and flexible installation options, making them ideal for contemporary and compact bathrooms. Starting at number 1, Kohler 62990. The Kohler 62990 Veil Wall-Hung Elongated Toilet Bowl is a sleek and modern bathroom fixture designed to deliver both style and functionality in contemporary spaces. Featuring a wall-hung installation design, it helps create a clean, minimalist look while also making floor cleaning easier and improving overall bathroom hygiene. The elongated bowl shape provides enhanced comfort compared to standard round designs, making it more ergonomic for everyday use. Finished in a classic white color, it blends seamlessly with a wide range of bathroom styles and interiors. Built with Kohler's quality craftsmanship, the Veil Toilet Bowl combines durability, space-saving design, and modern aesthetics, making it an excellent choice for stylish and efficient bathroom setups. Number 2. EAGO WD333 Square Wall Mounted Toilet. The EAGO WD333 Square Modern White Ceramic Wall Mounted Toilet is a stylish and space-saving bathroom fixture designed for contemporary interiors. Featuring a wall-mounted design, it helps create a clean, minimalist look while freeing up floor space and making cleaning easier. The square-shaped ceramic bowl gives it a modern and distinctive appearance that stands out compared to traditional toilet designs. Made from durable, high-quality white ceramic, it ensures long-lasting performance, easy maintenance, and resistance to stains. Its compact and efficient structure makes it ideal for small bathrooms as well as modern luxury setups. Combining sleek design, practicality, and durability, the EAGO WD333 is a great choice for upgrading any modern bathroom space. Number 3. DeerValley In-Wall Toilet. The DeerValley In-Wall Toilet Bowl is a modern and space-efficient bathroom fixture designed for a sleek, contemporary look. Featuring an elongated wall-hung design, it helps save floor space while creating a clean and minimalist appearance that is easy to maintain. This model comes in a stylish black finish, adding a bold and premium aesthetic to modern bathroom interiors. It includes a soft, close seat that ensures quiet and gentle closing for added comfort and convenience. The dual flush system, 1.1 GPF or 1.6 GPF, provides efficient water usage while maintaining strong flushing performance. Designed as a compact one-piece wall-mounted toilet bowl, it is ideal for modern bathrooms where both style and functionality are important. Combining durability, space-saving design, and elegant appearance, the DeerValley In-Wall Toilet is a strong choice for upgrading contemporary bathroom spaces. Number 4. MEJE Smart Wall Hung Toilet. The Smart Wall Hung Toilet combo is a premium modern bathroom system designed to deliver maximum comfort, hygiene, and space efficiency. Featuring a wall-mounted design with a built-in in-wall tank and frame carrier, it creates a clean, minimalist look while saving floor space and making cleaning easier. This advanced unit includes a built-in bidet system with warm water wash and air dryer, ensuring a comfortable and hygienic experience without the need for toilet paper. The heated seat adds extra comfort, especially in colder conditions, while the auto-open-close lid and automatic flush system provide a fully hands-free operation for improved convenience and cleanliness. A foam shield feature helps reduce splashing and enhances hygiene during use. Combining smart automation, modern design, and advanced cleaning features, this wall-hung toilet combo offers a luxurious and highly functional upgrade for contemporary bathrooms. Number 5. SmartSylva Wall Hung Smart Toilet. The SmartSylva Wall Hung Smart Toilet combo is a modern, space-saving bathroom solution designed to combine luxury, hygiene, and advanced technology. Featuring a built-in water tank and in-wall carrier system, it offers a clean, minimalist wall-mounted design that frees up floor space and enhances bathroom aesthetics. The elongated smart bidet seat provides enhanced comfort along with warm water wash and air dryer functions for improved hygiene and convenience. A heated seat adds extra comfort, especially in colder weather, while the auto-open-close lid and automatic flush system ensure a fully hands-free experience. Designed for modern lifestyles, this smart toilet combines innovative features with elegant design, making it a premium choice for upgrading any contemporary bathroom.